Here's a simple guide on how to share your Google Calendar with a specific person or make it publicly available. Begin by logging into Google Calendar. Then, locate the specific calendar you wish to share under the My Calendars section. Once you've selected the desired calendar, click the three dots. Next, click on Settings and Sharing, and scroll down to the Add People in Groups section. To share with a specific person, enter their email address, then designate the type of access they will need, either view or edit. Once you've completed these steps, hit Send. If you wish to make your calendar public, check the Make Calendar Public box. Please bear in mind that making your calendar public will make all events visible to everyone, including via Google search. If you are sure about this, click OK. To share the public link, simply copy the link and share it with anyone who needs access. Click on Copy Link. Now that you've shared your calendar and your scheduled meetings, you might also consider sharing transcripts. This can be done using Tactiq, which transcribes your Google Meet calls in real time and generates AI summaries. To learn more about Google Meet tips and how to be more productive in meetings, visit Tactiq.io.